Hello, wonderful people.
Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to our channel. It's still the Daffy and Alex show.
Yeah.
And we have your amazing host, Daffy and
Alex.
Welcome you guys back to our show. And we hope you've been enjoying our videos. We hope you've learned a thing or two. You know, when people are talking about insurance, about finance, you have something tangible, to say. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and then turn on your post notifications to always get alert whenever we post a new video.
True.
So guys, welcome you back to our channel.
You're
today.
very much welcome today.
Welcome. And we hope you're doing great. We hope you're doing good.
Hope you're doing fine.
Yeah. So today we'll be talking about third party motor insurance and comprehensive motor insurance. Yes, so even if you don't have a car yet, hold on, don't screw, stay. Very soon you buy your own car.
Amen.
So when you buy your own car, you know what to do, you know how to go about it.
True.
Okay, so Mr. Alex, what do you have for them today?
It is very important to note that it is mandatory for everybody plying the road to have insurance, car insurance. And third party is the most affordable insurance anybody can get.
Yep.
So you have no excuse. See, it is punishable by law, obviously.
Yes, it is. I think 250k fine.
250k now.
Yeah, for something that will cost you just 15,000 naira.
15,000. Like, it is the cheapest insurance so far.
Yeah.
Third party, the least you can get it. So basically today we just want to talk about the major car insurance that we have, which is basically
the third party and comprehensive motor insurance. So third party, is for every motor user. So just a little token of 15,000 naira, you are insured for a year. So third party just means third party, just as the name implies, it means I hit. I'm driving and I hit.
When she hits my
I hit him and he hits me, and guess what? I go to my company and let them know I hit somebody. He goes to his company and let them know he has hit somebody. And what happens?
The company pays not to fix my car.
Pays for my car.
Fix hers.
And my company pays for his car.
You see how it works.
So problem solved.
It is problem solved. It's just a simple English hard to sometimes. So
yes, but it's easy. So it just means you pay for my team, I pay for your team. So you pay for my team, I pay for your team. Chikena, problem is solved. That's what it is. But then some of you are so stubborn.
Very stubborn.
The hear word. Your ear doesn't work.
Now she talk about.
No, sorry, I didn't that way. But then some of you're actually stubborn. You don't eat, you don't listen.
True.
I don't know, maybe you feel like you have too much money and when it happens, or you feel like you're too careful. So the thing is, you feel you're too careful.
Yes.
But Alex cannot be careful. I feel like I did drive JJ go, I did manage. In fact, I don't even have fun managing myself. So my car will not go off. And one
person
just come and batch me from the back. And what happens? And in some cases, the person does not even have insurance. Because you see those stubborn people, are the ones that drive rough. They know they don't have patience.
You don't do analysis and I don't drive rough.
Yes. they don't have patience. But then, so that is where comprehensive motor insurance comes in.
True.
So I'm driving JJD to work. I'm going to this first station to get fuel. I'm managing.
Yes.
And then Alex is in his way, and then it might not really be his fault sometimes. It might be he has an emergency. So that is why it's always called the unforeseen. Something you don't plan for. So Alex now hits me. Alex now don't bash my car. Hey, you don't hit my car, we go repeat. What happens? I stop Alex and I see just a taxi driver. He looks started, he's struggling. You don't expect me to now hold him and say
you talk about
no, it cannot be Mr. Alex, but okay, let's say Mr. T.
Talk.
Okay. So and he comes out now, he's begging me that madam, please have emergency. I mean, I even see his pregnant wife in the car.
You understand?
For the love of God, I cannot hold Mr. Alex. He has to go. So all I need to do is, call my company and let them know I'm been in an accident. You don't need to exchange. I don't have to seize his clothes or make him start begging. I even can lock him. Locking him up will not bring the money.
So you don't need.
So he has said sorry. And sometimes you might even be lucky enough to even meet kind people. Some people, they will batch you and hey, they will even insult you on top.
Insult everybody in your generation.
I don't even know what that means, but they'll still insult you on top. And then you have to sit down and fix your damage yourself. Even if you fight, even if you lock him up, the other ones are just gradual. Nothing will really come out. So when it happens like this, Mr. Alex has apologized to me and he has to go. Me, I'm going to work. I cannot really be wasting my time on the road and causing traffic.
Do you understand?
All I need to do is just let my company know I've been in an accident. I snap on the scene. Because they will ask for the picture. I snap on the scene, and all of that. And I go about my day and they'll rectify it. They'll reach out to me. They rectify it. So it's as simple as that. So two is one is third party, one is comprehensive.
Yes,
so Mr. Alex, break down third party for them.
See, now let me just tell you the third party is fixing the other person's car.
Exactly.
In a scenario where somebody bash you, bam, or you bash somebody's car, there's an accident, a bashing shall happen.
Yes, bashing shall happen.
These people, the insurance company is just fixing the other person's car.
Yes, the third party, not you.
Understand? Not you. Do you understand? So the third party, you should also know something about it is damage to the other person's car and all that. Do you understand? It doesn't cover your own.
No, just the other person.
Just the other person's car. Then the comprehensive covers your car and the other person's own, which is something very smart. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It's not just covers you just about bashing. Comprehensive also covers in case of vandalization. You understand? When somebody vandalizes your car and stuff like that, or fire.
Yeah, in case of that fire, sometimes fire leads to total loss, which means they would replace your car if the need be. If it's beyond repair, to replace your car.
Do you understand? So theft also is also another thing.
Yeah.
So if your car gets stolen,
comprehensive
will cover you. So another thing.
Okay, another good thing about comprehensive is if your car is above 5 million, they give you a free tracker.
Most
insurance companies they give you a free tracker
because it's also a part of their own to also
to help them. So when it's stolen, they can also track it and all of that. So they give you a free tracker.
They give you a free tracker.
Exactly.
And all those ones to cocktail it. It is also important to know that let's say we could refer to it as fair usage. Let's say somebody who is driving a regular car, go and jump one GLK way. Rolls Royce. You understand? So in most cases, you back the very big problem. For in most cases, insurance companies kind of like have you can refer to like fair usage, just so that you could understand what it is. They will do the analysis and tell you what they can cover. The remaining you cover it.
Yes. So you cannot carry big problem and come and give them.
You go jam Rolls Royce and you're driving. You understand?
Oh God. 15,000 cannot cover for that.
So by right or legally, it's just a way of you avoiding any legal implication. You are expected to have
your insurance, which is third party.
And you who is a lover of luxury cars, would you have a
comprehensive?
Which one would you
rather? No, comprehensive. Comprehensive.
So comprehensive is something.
Yeah, there are people with luxury cars, and then me now, I have a car. I bought one car, 10 million, 5 million.
Yes.
You don't expect me not to buy comprehensive for my car. Do you understand? Because I know what it took me to buy that car.
Do you get it?
I'm going to work. I hustle. They pay me my salary. And I gather. You don't expect me not to buy comprehensive. Even if it's the last money I have, I must, because I need to protect that car at all costs. Actually, people that do, even some Ubermen, I've met some Ubermen that, third party, I would like to go for they know the reason why. So when it happens, I don't say 1 point, but let me not say it. So where I come from, so when something like this, like when problem happens, as you said, regede is a verb. Regede is it. That's problem. You understand? That is a verb. When it happens, when regede is a verb happens, you have backup.
True.
So you don't have to run, because now I'm driving Uber. Something happens, like, and I have third party. It does not cover me. Covers you, and maybe the accident might affect me also. Where do I now get money from? And some of the annoying parties. Maybe somebody even gave me the car to be drive. Like, where do I start from?
You get it.
So please, you always have to stay insured. You always have to stay protected.
It is important.
Very, very extremely important.
It is necessary.
So,
and then for those of you who are driving the luxury cars, just still pondering. Those of you who also have the comprehensive, because there are things that it will also not cover.
Yeah, there's some things to cover.
What I'm trying to talk about is talking about the normal wear and tear. Everything will get old at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Wear and tear, it will not cover it. And then when you're driving without license,
That one is your own. That's your own. That's your own cup of tea. You know? And then it's not when you have comprehensive. One jam, one car, you're doing. Okay, I will jam you. I will jam you. You understand? Even when you jam, they will pay. Not like they will not pay, but when they now try to analyze how the accident happened and they see you did it on purpose, they will pay. But it won't be as much as when it was an honest accident. So it's not because you're driving anyhow, like
accidents of driving under influence of something. Either alcohol.
They will still pay, but it's still the same thing because we're under the influence. So it's not, and those ones we don't really call it accident, although they're accident, but they're not genuine accident. That accident that they were caused intentionally. You know, you don't drive under the influence of alcohol. It's against, you don't do that. So
it is actually something to look into and all of those things. So generally, you have already known that the benefit of the comprehensive obviously outweighs
is more than the third party.
And then
exactly.
And then also, if you also consider how much you're paying for the comprehensive,
you know that it's nothing. So imagine a car of 100 million, you are paying just 5 million. That's like 5% the worth of the car. You buy it, so comprehensive is just 5% the worth of your car.
You see, there's nothing too expensive
for me to have 100 million to buy a car. For paying 5 million to probably have 100 million. And if anything happens, I can get back that car. I'll gladly do that.
You understand?
It's not a monthly payment, it's a one time. That's a yearly payment. You pay this year, you renew to the next year. And then so I've met some people on some occasions and they say, why is it 5%? Why is it not 4.5? Why is it not this? Why is it not that? So the thing is, you that are negotiating 3% or 4%, 4.5%, and Mr. Alex, I'm negotiating 3%.
Yes.
Mr. Alex is paying 5%, and something happened to both our cars. You don't expect what Mr. Alex will be expecting will be the benefit he will be enjoying. You just maybe that's paying 3% or 4.5 to be enjoying it. It's not done. That is, it's simple. It's life. They might do it, yes, but
it may fly, but
yes, it at the end of the day, when it happens, you now see they'll be calculating and they'll be like a caution. I'll be paying some fees because I did not meet up with I refuse to pay because I'll call it refusing.
Yes,
I refuse to pay the fee.
And they were likely to sell it to you because they want that business to sometimes.
Exactly. But at the end of the day, so they will sell that, and in most cases that's where you now be hearing things like, I mean, insurance doesn't work. Sure. They do this. So I met somebody that said insurance doesn't work. Please ask me what happened. His friend was the one that even bought the insurance, so not him himself.
Sure.
But he was so sure that insurance doesn't work. And God so kind, I was kind enough to ask him that what really happened. That funny enough, he knew. It was this thing that, because when I told him 5%, it was like, no, that they've been doing it's not 5%, and all of that. So that was when I got to understand that they were not paying up to the 5%.
Sure.
So when things like this happen, you don't expect somebody that have been paying 5%, you will not be enjoying the same benefit. It won't work. If that's the case, everybody should just be paying the 4.5 or thereabouts.
You can't. It's just like you can't cheat the boss.
Exactly. You can't give to Caesar what belongs. Exactly. That's how it is.
And you know one funny thing, there are individuals who are of the habit of, I have been driving safe.
Yes, without insurance.
I'm very careful.
Driver, yeah.
I do. It doesn't always knock, like we always say. When it's going to happen,
it will shock you.
Like,
and
somebody will be like, I paid last year, I paid you that week.
Nothing happened. Yes.
My money have just been going for nothing. It's not going for anything. God has made it possible for you to have it. God knows you'll be able to pay for it. It's just like having a car and say every day I've been putting fuel, so I will not drive.
It's just like saying you're paying rent and that. I'm paying rent. I'm not even living in the house. I travel a lot. But the fact is your stuffs are there, so you have to pay.
So when it happens now, what now becomes it is going to be. It is even beautiful for them to look at your history and be like, this guy.
Yeah, and guess what? There's like, I think it's like a reward. When you have the constant payment and something really happens, there's like an extra reward, even apart from whatever they give you.
Why?
Because they know that it's just like every day you can be buying tomato from this woman. They'll come and the woman will say, customer, take it.
Extra.
You might not even beg out. Customer, take it. The company say we should give it to you. You have been consistent, you've been trying, and all of that.
There's this customer loyalty.
Exactly. Let's say customer loyalty.
Customer like always are.
So anything you're doing, do it well.
And then for most of us that stay in Lagos, for instance, we already know how crowded it can be the water during the time. It is not you can't be using all these luxury cars and you say you don't want to do anything
comprehensive. You want to do comprehensive, or you want to drive it carefully. Yes, you might be a careful driver, but how about the next person? And then the truth is you can never be too careful, because there might be a day that it will even happen to that you will be the one at fault.
Sure.
So what do you do on that day?
Then tell me.
So then even in comprehensive, if there's an accident and maybe the third party dies, badly injured, it covers for hospital bills. It covers also for like form of compensation for the family.
True.
Because some accidents is so brutal that you run into people, you kill a lot of people, you destroy.
Nobody plan for it. Happens. Because sometimes when they talk about all this part, people tend to like, God forbid. It happens. People crush people. Who pays for the building you bash? All the people, that's just point you're just sitting, which is a part I almost forget to, it covers a lot of, it just gives you peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
When you
exactly. You're like that, but you are going carefully, but the next person might not be as careful as you are. So I just hope you can reach out to us, but I just hope with this you've learned. Even you that don't have a car, hear and go and tell people that have a car. You that have a car, you that you are planning to buy a car, please know.
Consider it.
It's very, very important. You buy your own car. Know this is what you will do. When you have your car.
When you have a car,
so you can reach out to us for more information.
You can always write in the comment section.
Exactly, we'll send a reply to you. Reach out to us.
I know that.
So please, if you have not hit the subscribe button, do well to
hit the subscribe button.
And if you're not on your post notification,
turn it now.
Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us. We love you.
Bye.